Good morning, dear children. In today's class, we have taken subject and predicate. Children, in this chapter, we will learn about the subject and the predicate of the sentence, as well as we will study about compound subject and compound predicate. Children, a sentence is a group of words. There are two parts of the sentence. They are a subject and a predicate. When we read a sentence, children, a sentence is made up of two parts. One is the subject and one is the predicate. What is a subject? The part of the sentence that tells us about who or what the sentence is saying is called the subject, or the subject of the sentence replies to the question who or what. When we talk about the subject, children, सब्जेक्ट इज़ द पार्ट जो हमें सेंटेंस के बारे में बता रहा है कि हम सेंटेंस में किसके बारे में क्या बात कर रहे हैं. ओके. एंड आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन अगर रिलेटेड है हु या व्हाट से, जो आंसर में आता है उसको हम सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. द सेंटेंस विच about what we are talking, about whom we are talking, that is the subject of the sentence. Like, the sun rises in the east, Rita is going to the school. These are the two sentences given over there, in which, children, the sun rises in the east. Here the subject is the sun, and Rita is going to the school. The subject over here is Rita. So we are talking about the sun and Rita in the given sentences. That is why they are called the subject of the sentence. Then, what is predicate? A predicate is the part of the sentence that tells us more about the subject, or the predicate is a sentence replies to the question about the subject. Okay, अब ये सेंटेंस में जब प्रेडिकेट होता है वो प्रेडिकेट आपको सब्जेक्ट के बारे में ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है. इट टेल्स यू मोर अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. वो सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है, कैसे कर रहा है, ऑल दोज इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रेडिकेट से हमें मिलती है. ओके. लाइक द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. सो हियर द प्रेडिकेट इज राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. Rita is going to the school. Rita is the subject of the sentence. So, is going to the school is the predicate of the sentence. Now, we will move to the second part. That is the compound subject and compound predicate. Children, what sentences we have studied till now for the examples? Everywhere there is only one subject and one predicate. Okay. But now, we will go to the compound subject and predicate, जहाँ पर according to the number of the subjects and predicate, this category has been made for compound subject and compound predicate. First is the compound subject. When the subject is made up of two or more simple subjects, it is called compound subject. Example, Tara or Zara went to the mall. Here Tara and Zara, both two subjects are there. That is why it is a compound subject, क्योंकि एक से ज़्यादा subject है. The dog and the cat fight with each other every day. So here again the dog and the cat, two subjects are there. That is why they are categorized as compound subjects. Understood? Then we'll go to the compound predicates. Compound predicate, children, when the predicate is made up of two or more simple predicates, it is called a compound predicate. जब हमारे पास में दो या दो से ज़्यादा predicates हैं सेंटेंस में. ओके. और ये सेम सब्जेक्ट शेयर करते हैं. सब्जेक्ट एक ही होगा सेंटेंस में, लेकिन प्रेडिकेट्स क्या होंगे, एक से ज़्यादा. लाइक, he visited his cousin and his friends. So he is the only subject in the sentence, and visited his cousin, his friend are compound predicate. ये जो underline मैंने किए हैं, these are the two predicates. That is why it has compound predicate. The people loved the vendor's pav bhaji and crowded around his stall. Again, two predicates are there. Loved the vendor's pav bhaji, crowded around his stall. So here more than one actions are taking place. Okay. So that is why they are called compound predicate. I hope this is clear. If If you have any doubt, those who have not attended the class can send me a message, so I will clear your doubt. Okay children, thank you.